Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about basic concepts of DBMS. So first of all, what is database? Organized collection of logically related data or information is called database. First definition is here. Database is the simply collection of data which is in organized format. So, second definition, a database management system is a collection of programs that enables creation and maintenance of a database. So, by using DBMS, we can create database and maintain according to our requirements. This chapter gives an overview of database and database management system. A database is an ordered collection of related data. A DBMS is a software or package to work upon a database. Here are the types of DBMS: Hierarchical DBMS, Network DBMS, Relational DBMS, Object-Oriented DBMS, and Distributed DBMS. So the number one is Hierarchical DBMS. The relationships among data in the database are established so that one data exists as a child of another. For example, here is the example of Hierarchical DBMS. Company, department. So company is the parent node and department, suppliers are the child nodes. So further, department have two childs. These are employee and projects. So it like a tree, like here first node and then here are the level 2 nodes. So hierarchical model, data is organized in parent-child relation. One parent has many child nodes, but one child has only one parent node. So for example, like here, one child is belong to only one parent in hierarchical DBMS. So each record type in this model is called node. Higher level nodes are called parent nodes and lower level nodes are called child nodes. This structure is also called inverted tree, like it is the reverse of a tree. So according to this example, we can understand the hierarchical DBMS easily. Like a company has two childs, then department has two childs, so we can gather data or we can store data like in this format. So this format is called hierarchical DBMS. So or we can say that we can control data according to this structure. So here is the network DBMS. Network DBMS is where the relationships among data in the database are of type many to many relationship, like a network. So like according to network, this model is based upon many to many relationship like a network. So like department, then student, like for example a college has a department and then department has two childs that are student, degree, then subject belongs to student and also belongs to from degree. So we can say that network model, it is similar to the hierarchy model, but child node can have more than one parents. Like in this example, subject, so subject parent is student, also subject parent is degree. Subject have two parents that are student and degree. So it is providing more flexibility than hierarchical model. So our next model is Relational DBMS, which is my favorite one. In relational databases, the database is represented in the form of relations. Each relation models an entity and is represented as a table. So relational model, it is most commonly used database model. It is more flexible than hierarchical and network model. The relational model consists of simple rows. A relation is a term used for a table. So table is a combination of rows and columns. A relation represents a particular entity. RDBMS is the most popular database management system. So relational database management system, we can say that RDBMS. So like here is the table and these are the columns. So we can store data according to this way. And the next one is object-oriented DBMS. Object-oriented DBMS is derived from the model of the object-oriented programming technique. It is helpful for the programmer to develop programs in OOP, or we can say that object-oriented programming. So that is object-oriented, just not object-oriented programming. So object-oriented DBMS, they use small reusable elements called objects. Each object contains a data part and a set of operations which works upon the data. Here is our favorite one, distributed database. So we know that a distributed database is a set of interconnected databases that is distributed over the computer network or internet. So we can say that here is the distributed database model. So this is very helpful. We know that distributed database has many features according to its structure, but it is very good and very helpful for the organization, that an organization can maintain data by using distributed database. So our database is here: accounting, engineering, medical, computer, IT. So we can store data by using fragments or replication, so by using different techniques. So operations on DBMS is the next one. Here are the following basic operations that we are performed on database by using DBMS. We can create database by using database management system. We can retrieve database, or we can retrieve data from database by using DBMS, update, delete, and these are the very basic and very common features that we are going to use by using DBMS. So thank you for watching this video.